The restoration of portraits from Rome and Isernia. Both heads of Augustus, whose attribution to a bust or statue was not possible due to the fractures at the base of the neck, showed typical conservation issues of stone artifacts that come from archaeological excavations. With thorough cleaning, earthy deposits and calcareous concretions adhered to the modeling were removed, also by using laser ablation, as in the case of the Isernino portrait. Other forms of surface degradation were instead consolidated. For the Rome portrait, work was carried out on the right half of the face to attenuate the chromatic alteration due to biological attacks. The Augustus of Isernia revealed traces of a red ochre pigment on the hair and eyebrows. Petrographic investigations and isotopic examinations identified the lithotype and its provenance. Luni marble for the Isernia head and Thasian marble for the Rome specimen. The display methods followed the principle of reversibility and absence of direct action on the constituent material, thus excluding the creation of new holes for pivoting on a support. Simulations with 3D models made it possible to correctly identify the orientation and inclination of the heads in order to counterform the specially shaped supports. In the case of the Rome portrait, the base of the neck was placed with an epoxy resin pad on a support surface equipped with a metal arm. In the case of the Isernia head, a resin parallelepiped was made with a recess modeled according to the fracture lines of the neck.